Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're making soft shell crabs like this. These are crabs that have just molted their old shell and they're growing their new one. They can be fried whole and the whole thing is edible. Now we love simple recipes, but this is really easy even by our standards. There are 3 ingredients, will be done in about 10 minutes. Let's get started. Our 3 main ingredients are the actual crabs. We have 4 of them, which are going to be perfect for 4 nice appetizers. We have a half a cup of all-purpose flour, some Old Bay seasoning mix, and that's kind of it for the main part of the dish. We also have a few toppings, which are some citrus, a little bit of parsley, and a hot chili dipping sauce. You can use tartar sauce if you want, or ketchup, or none of these. The crabs are delicious and they stand up all by themselves. For the dredging mix, I'm going to combine the half cup of flour with 1 tablespoon of the Old Bay seasoning mix. This already has salt in it, so you don't have to add any additional salt. And we're just going to combine that, and that is ready for the crabs. I bought these crab from the fishmonger this morning. He cleaned them for me. Once you clean the crab, you need to use them within 4, 5, 6 hours. Try not to have them sit around too much in your fridge. And I'm going to pat them dry. Even after I pat them dry, they're invariably going to be moist enough for the flour to adhere. Just enough to adhere, and not so much the flour is going to get caked on. You'll see some recipes that have you use a egg batter. No, those are okay. I prefer this simple dredge because you're just going to get a very, very light coating, and these things are not going to taste breaded. So, you know, the flavor of the soft shell crab, which is pretty delicate, is still going to come through without just tasting a lot of ordinary breading. I have a couple tablespoons of oil heating up in the pan. We're not deep frying crabs, we're just pan frying them. So generously coat the bottom of the pan, we don't need a ton. And it's hot enough when the oil kind of slides around easily. We don't want it smoking. We're gonna go belly down for about 3 minutes. Once they're nice and golden brown, we're going to flip them over and cook them for about another 3 minutes. And these are good to go. I'm just going to blot the top of these just a little bit, and these things are ready to plate. They're just beautiful, and the Old Spice seasoning really kind of shines through here. Put them here on this plate carefully, and that leg came off. Still going to put it here. I'm still going to eat it, and then for the sake of beauty, we'll top that with some green herbs like that. We'll have our chili dipping sauce and then some citrus. There you go. Some seasonal soft shell crabs. 3 ingredients, 10 minutes. Enjoy.